So let's unpack whether or not I would purchase stock that real estate agents are selling as proposed investment opportunities. So I've just typed in the keywords here on realestate.com.au in the word investment to see what pops up. And we found this property here that sits under $550,000 in a suburb called Manoora, 19 Connellan Street. As you can see here, the real estate agent is selling it as a development opportunity that boasts the potential to be turned into a triplex or duplex. And as you can see here, as we scroll up, that it sits on just over 750 square meters of land. It boasts 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 car, and it's in the inner north of Cairns, which is in a suburb called Manoora. And the first thing I like to do after I've looked at the opportunity, the first initial listing, is actually have a look at where it is in relation to the suburb of Manoora. Manoora isn't necessarily the greatest suburb to invest in, however, it does have some okay pockets, and from first glance, this property looks to be in one of those good pockets. So on to the next steps. So Manoora doesn't have the greatest of track records, nor does its neighbouring suburbs Menunda and Moorabool, so it's important here to really get the pocket of the suburb right. And the reason why I like this particular pocket here, because it actually flanks Edge Hill, which has a really good track record and a median house price of $750. Whitfield and Brinsmead that are also in the mid to high 600s. So just check the planning scheme, and it does sit in a median density zone, and it does have the initial capacity to be developed. Given that I do transact a lot in this marketplace, I know it's very difficult to find properties under $550,000 that yield development potential. So this property certainly passes the initial desktop assessment. However, we need to go out and do further due diligence, conduct an inspection, crunch further numbers, and get advice around its development potential.